Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make 2 by 2 picture in Canva with white background. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on Canva. So first you need to go to the create. Okay, here we need to go into the custom size options. Here you need to choose units in inches and width 2 and height 2. Okay, so we need to select 2 by 2, then create design, and this design has been created. Okay, now you can upload your photos from here. Just go to the uploads and go to the upload files and just select your photos from your device and just open it. So it will be start uploading here. Once it's upload, just click on that image. It will be insert on canvas. Now select that image and you just maximize the size and make fit to the canvas. Now select that image again and go to the BG remover, then background will be removed, and here we have the white background. Okay, now you can also go to the edit and go to the shadows, and you can use the outline shadow on. Okay, you can select the background, go to the edit. Okay, keep the picture in middle, and here you can see the stroke line, and you can use that line. Okay, you can minimize and maximize the stroke width, and you can also select the line color. Okay, like red, white, black also. Now you can see it is perfect. Look like passport size photo 2 by 2 and with white background. Now you can go to the share, download it, and download as a PNG and just download it. If you don't want background, sorry, that border color, then you can skip it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.